Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Azure Blob Storage for data science datasets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Azure Blob Storage for your data science datasets, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will land on the Azure dashboard. Look for the Storage Accounts option in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the Storage Accounts section, you can either create a new storage account or select an existing one. To create a new account, click on the plus Create button. Select your subscription and resource group, or create a new one if necessary. Give your storage account a unique name. Choose the region closest to you for better performance. Select the performance and replication options based on your requirements. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, click Review plus Create. Review your settings and click Create to provision the storage account. After a few moments, navigate back to the Storage Accounts section and find your newly created account. Click on the account name to access its settings. In the Storage Account overview, look for the Containers option in the left-hand menu. Click on Containers to view existing containers or to create a new one. To create a new container, click on the plus Container button. Choose a name for your container and set the public access level. Click Create to make your new container. To upload your datasets, click on the container name. Inside the container, click the Upload button. Select the files you wish to upload from your local machine. After selecting the files, click Upload to start the process. Once the upload is complete, your datasets will be available in Azure Blob Storage. To access the datasets programmatically, copy the connection string from the Access Keys section found in the settings. You can now connect to Azure Blob Storage using your preferred programming language or data science library. This completes the login and setup process for Azure Blob Storage in a data science context. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.